How to duplicate a project in PhotoRoom. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are using PhotoRoom and want to make a copy of an existing project without changing the original, then firstly open up the PhotoRoom application on your device and log in. Once you're inside, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the Content button, and it will open up your previous designs. To duplicate a design, tap the three dots at the top right above the design and then click on Duplicate. Soon after you do that, you will be able to see a duplicate project made immediately. That's how you successfully duplicate a project in PhotoRoom while keeping your original design intact. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.